What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing yesterday's Daily Dash to today's Daily Dash. Yesterday I was very strategic on the orders. I drove for about an hour during lunchtime. Today we're driving for the exact same time, but we're accepting everything. I pray that this doesn't turn into a nightmare. Today's video is dedicated to you guys. Decline now. This one's for you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another Daily Dash. Feeling a lot better today. I was kind of sick for the last few days. Just left the gym. We got like a quick workout in. I'm going to start doing this thing in the morning where I get to the gym by 10 a.m. every day, because otherwise I start slacking, and I'm going to start doing that every single day. Anyway, so we're starting off the dash with a $7 order from Smashburger. But from now on, for the next 2 hours, because I have a dash until 1 o'clock, we're gonna accept every single order for the next 2 hours and just see what happens. I hope it doesn't end up too bad, but I'm just gonna kind of prove a point to anyone who's out there who's new, and maybe you might see like why it's not exactly the best idea to take all of the orders. So for example, the last 3 times that I've done an hour-long dash, I've made anywhere from $21 to $32. So that's usually about the average of what I make per hour if I'm being strategic on my orders. And we usually get about 3 orders, and that's assuming that we're doing dashing at lunchtime, because lunchtime is like, for one, it's the only time I can really film because it's daylight, and for 2, anytime that's not lunchtime, people aren't really ordering, so you're not really gonna get the best orders. So starting off with $7, so it's not a bad order, but from now on, we're gonna accept every order and see what happens. And also, today's episode is sponsored by Recover Fun. So Recover Fun is a massage gun. It's definitely my newest favorite gun. This one, if you guys don't know, I'm pretty obsessed with like recovery and that kind of stuff. This gun is extremely silent. You can't even hear it. It's like it doesn't even exist. I love massaging my face with these things. They're super powerful, super strong. The battery lasts a really long time, and they're only $99. So if you guys want to get a massage gun for $99, which is kind of a straight up steal, I don't even know how they're selling them for that cheap. I'll put the link down in the description. Go get yourself a massage gun. Anyways, let's get this dash going. Oh, I'm gonna put on a shirt, by the way, for anyone who's mad that I'm dashing in a cutoff shirt. I just left the gym, so give me a break. Got the first order. They were ready as soon as I walked in there. So I'm doing kind of a bit of casual dashing because I was at the gym. I logged in while I was at the gym, and I waited for a good order. Because yeah, I'm gonna take all of the orders today, but I had to start it off with at least a good order. $7 for a mile. But from now on, we're gonna take all the orders. And I gotta be honest, the only person who's gonna be happy about this video is Doordash, because I normally only, technically, if you look at my acceptance rate, I only accept 14% of the orders. So that's just saying a lot, that Doordash has a lot of trash orders. But today we're gonna try to boost up that acceptance rate, because I'm gonna be a top dasher for one day. Well, I don't think I'll make it to be top dasher, but just kind of throwing it out there that I'm gonna accept all of the orders. And this is gonna be a shit show. I know that I'm gonna get, like, the Doordash gods are going to come down on me and give me all of the $3 orders as karma for all of the bad things that I've said about Doordash giving us trash orders. And you know, those Decline Now people, they're gonna be pretty pissed if they watch this video. But this one's for you guys, Decline Now people. Also, real quick, if you guys are interested in joining my new Facebook group, it's called Rich Driver, Poor Driver on Facebook. And in that group, we're basically just gonna try to better ourselves and talk to each other about what kind of investments we could be making, what any kind of like business questions, if you guys have fitness questions, any of that kind of stuff. DoorDash is such a random group of people. Like, anyone could be a DoorDash driver. And I see people from all different types of career paths who are doing DoorDash right now. So, I mean, I'm a pro acrobat. I've also been a personal trainer, social media manager. I've done like lots of cinematography. I've done a whole bunch of random stuff, but mostly I would say I'm a professional acrobat / athlete. And here I am doing DoorDash. Thank you, COVID. And also, if you guys haven't checked out my delivering in Las Vegas video. You should go check it out because I put a lot of effort into this video and it is not getting crap for views right now. So I'm a little disappointed that every time I put a lot of effort into a video, it doesn't do well. So it is what it is. Go check it out though, please. All right, just walked back into the car, and I do this thing where as soon as I complete the delivery before I walk up to the door. Anytime it's one of those leave at doors. We already got another order. It's $6 for 3.8 miles. Not something I would normally take because it's not $2 a mile, but it's not that bad, I guess. We'll take it. And it's exactly timed, like as soon as I completed the delivery, I already have another one. So sometimes this is more important. And I gotta say, before I even say anything else about this place normally has a pretty high post-tip rate because post-tip rate, I need a synonym, not synonym. What's the letters when you abbreviate it? God damn it, I'm stupid sometimes. Post-tip rate, PTR. PTR. So when you guys hear PTR from now on, post-tip rate. I don't know, I might just say post-tip rate. Anyways, gotta put my seatbelt on. That's what I gotta do. Yeah, so this payments place is generally a place that has a good, nice post-tip rate because it is a cafe, like bar kind of thing. So, I don't know. It's only a $6 order. We'll see. Because the other day, the Declinenow people said, no $6 orders get a post-tip ever. That's not true at all. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm taking this order. And, I don't know. It's right here, so it's not very far. I probably wouldn't normally take it because it's 4 miles. A little further than I would want to drive for a $6 order, but whatever. I usually only take $6 orders if it's $2 a mile, which is close to, or if it's exactly on the direction I'm going. This is actually going the exact opposite direction I want to go, but whatever, we're just kind of committing to today and just doing it for entertainment purposes. Hopefully you guys enjoy these kinds of videos. If you guys do enjoy these kinds of videos or just entertainment and driver tips and stuff, please consider smashing the like button because it helps out my channel quite a bit, and that way I can pay for a tan so I'm not so white in the future. Just kidding. Just kidding. It's still March. It's not time to go to the lake yet, but I will be going wake surfing, I think, tomorrow. And I'm super excited for the first session of the year. Wake surfing, wakeboarding, cliff diving. It's gonna be freezing, but we're going anyways, so yeah. What a nightmare. That order is 25 minutes late, and all they ordered was French fries and hummus. Okay, this is already why I don't accept orders like this, but damn, it's a hookah bar lounge. That's why their order is so messed up. I also randomly saw a girl in there that performed at Cedar Point, which is totally random because that's in Ohio, and I performed at Cedar Point for like 8 years. Super random. She was doing like Doordash too because COVID like obviously canceled all entertainment. But crazy random. Anyways, I am in a very fucked up position in the middle of an intersection right now because this car next to me, go bro, go. I'm getting a little aggro because this person's gonna cause a car crash. I don't know if you can hear that, but Jesus Christ, people gotta commit. Some people are so scared of the road. Alright, so just gonna kind of explain why this order sucks. Obviously, anytime you wait 25 minutes for an order and it's 25 minutes past when it was supposed to be ready, that's gonna suck. But on top of that, I actually took an order that I normally wouldn't because it takes me way far away from where there's any other orders, so I'm probably gonna have to take the freeway back. So already the first hour is about to come to a close. It's 11:54, which means we've already been dashing for 1 hour. So $7 plus $6 is $13. So I'm assuming I'm not gonna get a tip on this one because it was literally French fries and hummus. It was a $10 order, so I doubt they're tipping me much. But hopefully this next hour is a little bit better because this one blew. Just dropped it off and did what I normally do, complete the delivery before I get there, and I'm coming back to this order right now. $6.50 to Teriyaki Madness, but it is 11 miles. 11 miles for $6.50. God damn it. Okay, whatever. I'm already regretting doing this stupid video now. You know what? Whatever. This is why I don't commit to these kinds of videos. $6.50 for 11 miles. I'm clearly doing this for entertainment reasons today, guys. So please, please smash the like button and help me out here, because Jesus Christ. Okay, this video sucks already. For me. Maybe it's entertaining for you guys, but this is why we don't accept every single order. Okay, wait. I did some more research, and actually, let me just say this. It's not that bad. It's definitely not an order I would ever take, but it actually, I'm probably about 10 miles east of my house right now. So this is I'm at the very east end of the Green Valley area, and I'm going into the southwest area, which means I'm going into a different dashing zone. So I'm literally going from one side of the freaking dashing zone all the way to the other side and past it into another one. So strategically, it's probably going to make more sense for me to log out of this dashing zone after I drop it off and then go into the next one, which, man, this is just a shit show already, but okay, whatever. Anyways, so, oh man, and I can't even turn left right here. Oh, okay. Today is going to be a lot of complaining, just so you guys know, but you should still smash the like button and go check out my footwear company at offaxisacrobatics.com and use my discount code OFFAXISTanner, and you will save 30% off some of the best shoes you'll ever wear in your entire life, guaranteed, or your money back. Anyways, be right back when we get to Teriyaki Madness. You know, it's annoying when you look at your directions of where you need to go and all of them are 23 minutes, 23 minutes, 22 minutes on the freeway. God damn, this is gonna be annoying. But I think I'm gonna take the freeway because it's less turns and, like, I don't know, it's easier to think about just get on the freeway and get off. It's actually my normal exit, so I'm actually kind of going back towards my house, which makes it not that big of a deal, but it does go pretty far past my house, so it's like kind of annoying. Anyways, this day sucks so far. I'm never doing one of these videos ever again, by the way. This is the last time I'm gonna do it. I'm only doing this because someone said in the comments to do one of these videos, and you know what? I think I started this whole series of accept every order because I did it about a year ago, and I've seen a few other people doing it since, but this is not a good series this is not a sustainable series, especially not when you're driving a freaking Ford Explorer that gets like 2 miles per gallon. Okay, just kidding. It gets like 16 to 18 miles per gallon. So, not exactly like freaking good miles per gallon, that's for sure. Alright, I need to get a Tesla. That's what I need. Tesla time. But I will say that this order was ready as soon as I walked in. I just said the name, here for Adrian. She's like, here it is. It's like this little teeny tiny bag with one little bowl in it, going all the way across the other side of the country. I mean Vegas. Okay, so just as I'm driving this long distance on the freeway, I'm just starting to think in my head, like, I can't believe that these top dashers and people who are just starting do this like on a daily basis. You know, a lot of people literally accept every order that comes in, and they're still worried. I see this all the time in the comments. People are worried about their acceptance rate going down, and I'm like, I can't believe this is like something people would be doing on a daily basis, is driving 11 miles for 6 miles. 11 miles for $6. Like, that's crazy to me. So, man, we're not going to get more than 4 orders done today. That is for sure, because we got 15 more minutes to drive. I'm not even on the 15 south yet. So, like, this isn't even, I'm not even back to the dashing area I would normally go to because this first freaking order that I took. So, what a nightmare. So, just dropped off the order. That was literally probably the longest order I've done. No, that was for a fact the longest order that I've done in at least a year, if not since I started doing Doordash. So I'm going to end the dash right here because I'm way out of my driving zone and I'm not driving back. Let's screenshot this and show it to you guys so we can compare yesterday's screenshot, which was a 1 hour dash. Maybe it was like an hour and 15 or something, to today's hour and a half dash. Oh, I thought it would show me the details of how far I drew. It didn't. Hold on, I'm sure I can find it. But anyway, so yesterday, I would say we probably drove about 18 to 20 miles. I think we drove even less than that, to be honest. And I made $21. Today, let's see, just add up some real quick math. I did about 28 miles-ish. 16. One of them was 16 miles, though. Yeah, we did about 28 miles and we made $19.50. So that's less than $1 per mile. So that kind of sucks, you know, when you're comparing being strategic to not being strategic. And I didn't get a single tip today because I didn't take any orders that I thought I would make a tip on, really. I thought payments might, but when I saw the order and I got there and the total receipt was only for $10, I was like, yeah, I'm definitely not getting a tip on this one. So let me see if I can figure out how I can do previous dashes and see if it'll show me how many miles I drove for each one. Be right back. Let me find this. I found it. So, start time, 10:59. Made $19.50. We drove 3 deliveries. Wait. Still, it doesn't show you how far you drove? That's some BS. They should definitely show you how far you drove. I guess I have to just kind of make it up. Unless you guys know in the comments down below how I can figure out how it'll show. Because I swear it used to show you how far you drove. I don't know why it doesn't anymore. That's kind of weird to me. But, oh well. And yesterday I drove basically the same exact time and everything. Significantly less miles though, and I made $2 more, and I think I drove for about 15 minutes less. So anyways, that's just a nice little comparison so you guys can see why it's so important to be strategic on the orders you're taking compared to just taking random orders. So I'm gonna wrap it up right there because I'm not taking any more orders like that. That sucked. And I can't even log back into DoorDash, so I gotta go to the grocery store. Excuse me. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you guys haven't. We'll see you. Peace.